All right, guys, good evening. It is March the 20th, 2020. It is 9:10. This earthquake took place 17 minutes ago. USGS sent out a tweet saying there was a 5.7 preliminary. They've got a Greece-Albania border region. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. All right. Now, EMSC has it at a 5.6. I'm going to go refresh them right now, but I want you to see it first. Now they got it at a 5.4. Seriously. Dead serious. Let me copy that. Hang on. Let me copy that. Copy. And we'll put that with the notes. Right there. Downgraded. We'll wait and see if they upgrade it back up again. I don't know. We'll wait. We'll see. First, for right now, they've got it at 5.4. Hey, Toke. All right. They've got a line through the tsunami warning, so there is no tsunami warning. This actually happened a little bit onshore. All right. They've got it as a 5.4. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. They've got it 4 miles north of KANALLAKION. And now they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. Now, GFC has it, but GFC did some upgrading themselves. So let me refresh this here on EMSC in here in a second. Let me go to GFZ and take you to their website. All right, so there's EMSC. EMSC was the first to post on this earthquake, by the way. Now, GFC has got it at a 5.5, 20 kilometers, which is 12.4 miles in depth. It has not been seen by a human. It is automatic. It's computer generated, okay? Now, they had it at a 5.4, and then this came up as a 5.5. All right, now I need to go to see if EMSC has upgraded that 5.5. USGS said it is a 5.7. So let's go see. I'm going to go totally out and come back in. Nope, they still got it at a 5.4, hon. Still got this as a 5.4. They had it at a 5.6. All right, then they downgraded that to a 5.4. And now they've got it at 6. I'm writing this down so I can repeat it later. 6.2 miles in depth. All right, let's take you to this earthquake. Let's see who else is saying this. USGS and Australia agree. So let me see if they've got Australia up for you. Otherwise, you're going to pick your best earthquake center. Yep, they got Australia now. All right, opening up Australia for you. Toka, you having a good day, sweetie? Let me enlarge this a hair. What do they got it at? 41. Hang on, let me put the 41 in kilometers into miles. 41. All right, Australia has got it at 25.4 miles in depth. All right, but they've got it at a 5.7 also. So we're going to open this up so you can see it. Hopefully big enough that you guys can see it. All right. Australia, they've got it at a 5.7. They've got it at 25.4 miles in depth. All right, I'll need to copy that link and put it there. Hey, Scan, sweetie, hello. How are you, sweetie? Hey, Miss Liz, how are you? All right, so now EMSC is the only one right now that doesn't agree, and so is GFC. Now, Australia and USGS do agree on this earthquake. I need to copy this link and put it in the box. So give me do that. And copy. And let's go to the notes. Like I said, there is no tsunami warning for this earthquake. Now we're going to put Australia right underneath GFZ, okay? So you'll have it. Australia EQ Center. Hang on, scan. I'll check out what you're saying in a second. I just saw it wiggle on me, so I want to get the report done, and then I'll come back to you, babe. And copy. All right. We'll go back and check on EMSC in a few minutes. I'm going to show you where this earthquake took place, okay? Then we'll go look for disaster alert. All right, let's go take a look at this earthquake, where it took place. They're saying the closest volcano to this earthquake was 121 miles. They're also saying this earthquake was just felt by 38 people. All right, so now we're going to go to where this earthquake took place. And I will show you 121 miles. Yep, okay. Let me put that right there in the middle of the screen. Get my red pen out so you guys can see. All right. This is the 5.7 according to USGS. That is your volcano. It is black. It is extinct. All right. That is the closest volcano to this earthquake. All right. Now, let me go back to EMSC and see if they're going to downgrade to match USGS. And let's refresh. Let's go out of it and come back, because they're still showing a 5.4. Guys, EMSC, that is European Earthquake Center, has still got it at a 5.4. And as you see, there is no tsunami warning with this earthquake. They got an X through it, a line through it. That means no tsunami warning. Let's go to USGS and see if they're downgrading. Hey, Funky. So let me go to USGS here. And we're going to refresh them. And let's go back. And refresh. Okay, so they're keeping it. So here we go. Let me tell you where it's located and all the details now. USGS said it was a 5.7. Greece-Albania border region. They've got it 8 miles south-southeast of Parmithia, and that's P-A-R-A-M-Y-T-H-I-A. All right, they've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, Australia also agrees with them that it was a 5.7. All right. Now, EMSC has got it at a 5.4. They had it at a 5.6, downgraded it to a 5.4. Let me close that off and reopen both. We're opening up EMSC first. And you can see right there at the very top, it says it's a 5.4. All right. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Let me open that up. All right, they've got it 4 miles north of KANALLAKION at 6.2 miles in depth. Now you'll have their tweet for a 5.6. Their webpage is on there for a 5.6. All right, GFC has it at a 5.4, upgraded it to a 5.5. They've got Greece-Albania border region. They've got it at 12.4 miles in depth. You pick your earthquake centers, guys. I've got 2 that agree it was a 5.7, and the other 2 can't agree on nothing. All right. Let me open up USGS, make sure they've still got it at a 5.7. As you can see, it's right there on the top. Right there. Let me pop on it and open that up. All right. USGS said it was a 5.7. Greece-Albania border. They've got it 8 miles south of Parmithia. PARAMYTHIA at 6 miles in depth. All right, let's go find disaster alert. What do you say? This earthquake is now 30 minutes old. It should be there. So we're going to open up disaster alert for you. There it sits, guys, down here in the yellow. Let me pull it up. I told my husband, Tom, I said there's going to be a major earthquake there. They've had too many 4-pointers here this evening. All right. This earthquake now took place 31 minutes ago. I've been with you for 10 minutes and 45 seconds. An earthquake of a magnitude 5.7 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred 13 kilometers south-southeast of Parmithia, Parmaythia, Greece, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary. And copy. And we're going to paste that in the notes. Go all the way down. Disaster alert. We'll go check that out in a second and see if that might be EMSC upgrading that. We'll see. Let me get this pasted first. All right. Let me go get EMSC, guys. Hang on one second. Opening up. And we're going to go see here. I am pasting in the rest of disaster alert. All right, let me go see what that tweet was. Nope. That was Hawaii at 2.0. All right. I'm going to copy these links now. We're going to post all these links into YouTube for you so you guys can go check them out for yourself. Let me make sure I've got them all. You'll have the epicenter, the closest volcano, which was 121 miles, color-coded black and extinct. The primary source was EMSC. They have estimated release of energy was 1,344 tons of dynamite. Okay, you'll have EMSC at a 5.6. You'll have EMSC as a 5.4. You'll have GFZ. They had it at a 5.4. They upgraded it to a 5.5. Australia's got it at a 5.7. USGS has got it at a 5.7. And there is no tsunami warning. So what I'm going to do is copy these now, and we'll put them into YouTube for you. And then I'll be able to check on what you guys are saying. Right now, I just need to concentrate on this. All right, so we're going to go out of disaster. We're going out of EMSC. We're going out of the map, going out of Australia, calculator, tweets. Everything is now gone. And we're going to go to YouTube. Then we'll go back like I normally do and make sure they're still there. Okay? Going to my page. And we're going to go to edit videos and post in all links. Now remember, this is a preliminary. All earthquakes are subject to change via any one of these earthquake links. Any earthquake center can change their links at any their degrees at any time. Okay, disaster alert, USGS, tweet and webpage, Australia, EMSC, GFC, upgrade, downgrade, EMSC 5.6, 5.4, and we're going in now. All right. We've got about 6 people in here and only 1 thumbs up. Oh my goodness, guys, come on. I'm doing my best here, okay? Now we're going to go back one last time and check and see if USGS is downgraded or upgraded. They still have it, guys, as a 5.7. Opening that up now. Maybe. Click. All right. USGS said it was a 5.7. They've got a Greece-Albania border region, 8 miles south-southeast of Parmithia, at 6 miles in depth. Okay, let's go see if EMSC has decided to upgrade this. Answer is no. EMSC has it at a 5.4. They had it at a 5.6 and downgraded it to a 5.4. All those links will be in the description box. They said it is 4 miles north of KANALLAKION at 6.2 miles in depth. All right. All right. Let's see who's here. Close these down. If EMSC does upgrade it, I'll put a note in, small little something there to let you know. All right, done. All right, get rid of my notepad and let's see who's here. Oh, guys, I got to put on my reading glasses. I can't see this. All right. Who do we got? Who do we got? Scan, thank you so much for coming in, sweet. Toke, thank you, honey. How are you doing? Okay. Hey, Miss Liz, how are you? Yeah, Australia's got some stuff going down. That's for sure. You had a red north sunset tonight. When are you going to do a video, sir? I'd like to see some of that. Hey, Funky, how you doing? Okay, sweetie? Tom and I have put ourselves at home, so we're not going anywhere either. We had 2 cases of that show up less than 2 miles from us. You're not sure where the earthquake is? Well, let me pull it up bigger on the map for you, okay? Hang on for a second. Let me do that for you. And we'll pinpoint that exactly. Okay, EMSC still has it at a 5.5. All right, there was 38 people that felt this. Let me enlarge this as far as I can, and we'll see if we can get some borders here. All right. Now, I can't read the language on here, so I'll spell the language on here for you. I don't speak Greece, okay? Greek. They've got it right there close to TEKORI. I don't think I can get that any larger, guys. I don't know if you can read the names. We're going to put, no, you can't read the names. That's too, that ain't going to go. You can't read it. It's too enlarged. The coordinates is in here, Miss Liz. Type in the coordinates on your computer, and then you'll be able to pull it up and see for yourself, okay? That's why I always put the coordinates in. Yes, lots of earthquakes, Funky. Lots of earthquakes. I've been dealing with a migraine all day. We're not talking politics, Scan. Sorry, sweetie. Let's keep that out of this page, okay? I love you to death, but no. Walmart is closing. For those of you who know, Walmart closes at 10 o'clock and they reopen at 8 after all the shelves are stocked. And yes, they do have security on. Okay? They have it up here at Walmart. No more 24 hours. No. But one thing Walmart is doing on Tuesdays, from the time they open the store at 8 o'clock, for an hour, they are letting seniors and disabled people in, at least at the one here where I am at. Okay? Only seniors and disabled. Nobody else is allowed in there, and the senior and disabled have an hour to shop. Hey, Bill. So you guys know what's going on at Walmart. Okay? They just get the shelves stocked, and on Tuesdays, they'll let all the seniors in for 1 hour to shop before the crowds come in and push and shove and whatever else they're going to do. All right. Yeah, it was nice of them. And they're not the only stores that are doing that. They said Target, Walmart, I can't remember the other store. But there's only 2 stores close to me, and that would be Kroger's and Walmart. So, yes, that says seniors won't get trampled. Let me go see if that was the EMSC upgrading this. I heard the beep. No, that was disaster alert doing their thing. They just sent out a reminder telling me, oh, they just went up. Not EMSC. That was disaster alert reporting it. All right, guys, I was impatient. I got it before they reported it. Yeah, I shopped. There's one right behind our house over the fence. When I do a video in the back, you see my back fence. We've got a Dollar General right there. Yes, ma'am. I do go there too. Our restaurants are only delivering here also. Also, our libraries are closed. Gyms are closed. Everything is closed. Okay? All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get moving. I keep waiting for EMSC to upgrade. And they have not. Oh, no, they have not. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. I'm sending you guys much love. I'm trying to talk Mewy into another live feed scan so we all can get in there and talk, okay? Oh, I live in a neighborhood where everybody has to have a 6-foot privacy fence. That's just the way it is. Okay? All right, guys. 2 thumbs up. Sending you guys much love. The links are in the description box. EMSC still hasn't upgraded that. You have yourself a great evening. I'll be back if anything else major happens. I'm going to be back in the morning with regular earthquake reports, okay? Have yourself a great night. Sending you guys much love. Please be safe out there, okay? Funky Scan, Miss Liz, thank you for coming in. Bill, you're a doll baby. You got something? I can't get that. It's nowhere in the store, Bill. Nowhere in the stores. You have yourself a great one. You be safe, okay?